German past tense. I went.
Ich ging.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, language legend, ready to time travel into German past tense? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, games, and bite-size lessons. By the end, you'll confidently say, I went, as.
Ich ging.
And nail all the other forms too. Let's go, well, let's went. Your goal today. Master the simple past.
Präteritum.
Of the verb, to go.
Gehen.
Closing parenthesis dot. I went equals.
Ich ging.
You went, singular, friendly, equals.
Du gingst.
He went equals.
Ging.
She went equals.
Sie ging.
It went equals.
Es ging.
We went equals.
Wir gingen.
You went, plural, you all, equals.
Ihr gingt.
They went, you went, formal, equals.
Sie gingen.
Funny mini dialogues. Listen, chuckle, then repeat the bold German line out loud. A. After work, what did you do? B. I went home. Say.
Ich ging nach Hause.
A. Why didn't you wait? B. You went too fast. Say.
Du gingst zu schnell.
A. Where is Max? B. He went 5 minutes ago. Say.
Ging vor 5 Minuten.
A. And Mia? B. She went to the bus stop. Say.
Sie ging zur Bushaltestelle.
A. How was the meeting? B. It went okay. Say.
Es ging.
Rapid fire drills. I prompt in English, you fire back in German. Big voice, big victory. Say, we went.
Wir gingen.
Say, you went, plural, you all.
Ihr gingt.
Say, they went.
Sie gingen.
Say, he went.
Ging.
Say, she went.
Sie ging.
Say, I went.
Ich ging.
Culture tip. Sounding natural. Here's how natives really use it, so you don't sound like a time-traveling robot. In spoken German, people often prefer.
Perfekt.
I went, as.
Ich bin gegangen.
In stories, news, and writing.
Präteritum.
Shines.
Ich ging.
Think. Casual chat.
Ich bin gegangen.
Narration, diary.
Ich ging.
Example. Yesterday I went home early, can be.
Ich bin früh nach Hause gegangen.
Chat, or.
Ich ging früh nach Hause.
Story. Pop quiz time. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the answer after a pause. Translate. It went well. Say.
Es ging gut.
Change to simple past. Du gehst.
Du gingst.
Fill in the blank. Yesterday, _____ to the park. We.
Wir gingen.
In Den Park. Translate. They went inside.
Sie gingen hinein.
Which is plural, you went.
Ihr gingt.
30-second challenge. Create a tiny story using at least 3 forms. You've got this. Try this template. Yesterday, we went, then he went, and it went fine. Speak it with German inserts.
Gestern gingen wir zum See. Ging früher nach Hause. Es ging am Ende gut.
Bonus round. Add, you, singular, went, as.
Du gingst.
Or, you all went, as.
Ihr gingt.
Goodbye from Synapse Lingo. Nice work, your German past tense just leveled up. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Ich ging. Du gingst. Ging. Sie ging. Es ging. Wir gingen. Ihr gingt. Sie gingen.
In short stories and chats. For more lessons, games, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Bis zum nächsten Mal, brought to you by Synapse Lingo.